Welcome to the Refresh Engine's tutorial on mapping. In this video, we'll show you how to upload your contacts and map them correctly in the Refresh Engine to get the best possible outcome. To get started, you'll want to log into your Refresh Engine account and click the Imports tab on the left-hand side. Next, you'll select Upload. Make sure you're only trying to upload files that are in an Excel or CSV format. Select Browse and choose the file from your computer that you wish to upload. Once your file uploads, you'll notice these categories at the top of the page. These are simply the column headers from the file you uploaded. This does not mean that this is the information that's going to be imported into the Refresh Engine. Below those column headers is where the actual mapping happens. You'll notice that there's a drop-down arrow for each column of the file that you've uploaded. When you click on that drop-down arrow, you'll be able to choose what the category is for each column of information. The system will try to automatically map them for you, but it's always smart to double-check to make sure the right information is being imported into the right place. To finish processing the file, hit Save and Continue. At this time, the file will be sent through the Refresh Engine and uploaded into your Contacts tab. Congratulations! You have successfully uploaded and mapped your first file to the Refresh Engine. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at success@likely.ai.